Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how I make this portable kitchen for the temporary camper. So first I used drills to drill the holes and then cut out just with the handsaw. After cutting out this, you use add some silicone around it. I already did. And add more silicone around the hose, taking out the hose, original hose. I install brass hose barb right there with the plumbing tape, and using this just like to install around the drain, so it's drained directly in the container. So now we can test it and see how it works. No leakage. Idea of putting in a card would be like much more protected from the splashes, and also just in case if any time accident's gonna happen, it's gonna contain the water around it. I just need to clean up more silicone. To be here, not anymore. And this is the tools I used.